A 3D printing project like no other. One that's in your hands, the maker. What if you could design your dream car in just a few clicks? Well, buckle up and get ready for a ride, because this is 3D Printed Garage. With over 3,000 unique combinations, build your custom car and get your filament ready. Instantly download and slice digital STL files formatted to work on any 3D printer. Our print-in-place chassis prints 80% assembled, making it perfect for all ages. Don't worry though, we'll help along the way with our step-by-step guides. We've built everything around easy-to-source parts that are affordable and perform great too. So after months of testing and upgrading our design, we're ready to release this project for all makers. Rip up the road with our track spec chassis and grip tires, or spend some time sideways doing donuts with our drift spec build. But it doesn't have to stop there. Once you're ready to upgrade, just hop back into the garage and build your next set of wheels. Our all-in-one ecosystem will completely change how you think about 3D printing. Join the next generation of makers and back this project now. 3D Printed Garage. Plan, print, play.